Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso bw'umugusi. Mancho murigeria na gukwandira andonsi asore no gusaba kwanenga no gendrete gutwara rituko rigia itugeria ria Alhamisi rituko ria kabira somotie nyuga oikomi mwako iga bwechiri bubere 25 nabugete mutimo kotoko era kuri na nyarko bagin koira na rase mesa ya maya kuru ensoko chinsa ikomi asenchira yobwengo mwancho murigeria rinko manyena ria ya aene kiwe rituko riga abigona ria togendate gukwariganria asenchira yoboikiranu gekoraga ensa eyamo abego chinsa isato chobotko bwarero nchekoro kwa Clinton Ndigi asiri bagari abari bakombwate cia kurwa ase studio ya kabere kwana kia marugine chibichango chara senchire rengia to wasabika ransoike obena into kurbono oikomweri Karibu sana. Nyuraba na obayigo mwancho murigeria na boko bwatia hamaya iga kurwen soka senchira yobwenge gwetera se mitandao ya itoye kerero ya Facebook na YouTube. Na bono toko chakari morioka hekero omugiro bwa bakori emeremo Beach University osoira seiki ya gatatu bono nigo bone nsemo ya borokigwa kurwa se University ya Kisii baesokire erigo kwandire mechando ao ibakonyora gwetera ase omugiro yo ogendrete ase bono hanne mono batebire unanigo omugiro yo orachie kogera abanyoro ke masomo abaruki wabo nigo bono bayesabire eserekari ko gotegerera ekerero kya bakori emeremo habu heri kugayana amangana abo ase obwango herinde bachikwiranira chisemi chapo
Mgomo imetuadhiri sana. Tukiangalia mambo ya stock imeisha, lecturers hawaingii class na huko tu nangoja tu like we are just left stranded. Si haki kabisa, sababu ukiingia class ya online you need to have bundles ama wifi.
And it's really affecting most of us because some of us were given food from home. The food has ended. There's no teaching taking place. We are not doing anything. And it's really affecting us. The money we were given from home, the money is over.
Actually, you know, we are coming to classes, we use fare. When you get to the class, you find yourself like you are there. Nobody is there to coach you, and that's all of it.
So like saona hangaika hapa hivi like at least nifike shule, at least nielewe hivi, at least yote mundisonge sababu nilikuwa nimezoeanga like nikienda shule like kaa iko class ya 9 hadi hapa hivyo 10, at least itakuwa imeni boost ikiingia wifi hapa hivyo nimesikia hivi lunch sababu hata sau stock yenyewe imeisha.
So it is our humble request that we need to address the government needed to act positively to this issue of the online strike. At least our lecturers to consume back to our classes. It is going to boost even our creativity, and it is going to help us to grow well again. It is going to boost our knowledge the way we had expected when we were working hard and smart from high school.
And if the lecturers does not stop the strike on time, definitely our graduation period here at Kisii University will be forced to be delayed.
It will affect our graduation and the year we are supposed to finish school. Yet we have some plans, you know, we have plans for the future. So all we are asking is the government to comply and pay our...
Tukosko mwancho murigeria habarai naboigo aba director bechae nigo bono basabiro gwesokia erio kwegerera hekemeri giechae naboigo kwerra nase kichibesa che bonus chumwako yiga chiachete chense hande mono hase orogongo rwagusi kao kuona negeteseni kigagia Nsoko TV mambe ya lero nigo bono engineer Richard Mwebi oiboigo mwana siasa neno monchorera kurwaso mochobo songo amochira baraibagusi hase ogotaigerera abarimi bechae nigo bono abarimi babeire bakorera no bose bakorera no kugwa kwego rigoririe bonus erio hase bono basabire abaraiba esokie eriko baigerera banyore ngeri yawe ikiranete
koirari bageri gukwanera igoro yoboremi wechae ne kawa barimi baito bagusi bachandikire sana bandu baminto muna mwegwete pona asiachite siringi 12 bono tukumitie abarimi baito ndirero bare abandi naroche bansire gutegore chae bagotanga ikena kieke mama serikali twakagĩtĩng'anĩte tũkorera maya na bare gwetoging'a twaretire mbolea batũrigĩrie njiro y'echae tonyore bonus ĩrua mĩcini gũchigũrũ bono baretire ciringi 12 abalimi no bagocha kũriera bona abalimi bakumetinkieki bagendete amateni bagakana school fees bakaenda amateni bakagũra ebindu biathakĩire buremi bono iga bonus yachete yegekombe tũkũbũria serikali eye echae yaitũ naenda Mombasa arĩ ngaroranga nayo nĩruya ane nero yarenge grade 1 ingigekogera usiye chae gochera ciringi 12 chifactory chinde chaisi 10 nechinse chinde yabanyorete eruga 40 30 yani pa kilo banyorete 30 shillings shilingi 45 pa kg bono nkuboringa abalimi baito bono bagusie mutagete baragotegure chae bagendeka bandu baminto abalimi asemwabeta abarayi baito batonirie ekerokoro chae gochera shilingi 12 chidarekita nechi chairman chaito minunki mwakorire ekiagera bono ngamana tugukwana abalimi bachandekire ibangotebe chidarekita chaito chibokerere igoro onye bare iniforo butia so biasara ebi batotebie tubaire ekodi egera tubabute abalimi badimandie haki yabo lakini onye kirenga na serikali ekarikotie chae yaito nagenda aringana echae yaito negiretiere tiga batotebie sebairete rigori riabene echae yaito kumaete gusie echae yaito nengiya
tugusikabusio mwancho murigereria murai bwe kiama kia UPA nigo bona sabira ababwatani baye amana bari bakoria ebirogo gwetera ekiamekio kwene kiabuna siasa chingi yanko ene kiwachira senchira yomorembe mugavana oyubo igore bwe county ya Nyamira mheshimiwa Amos Nyariboni gari nko yakwana iga kirara hegikaro yekiamekio ase omochio iga o Nairobi.
You use different tricks in different areas. Tuache matusi. Tukubaliane? Yes. Kuna ile lugha unaweza tumia unaibisha mtu lakini uchamtusi. So tatu watu wajue kama tunaenda kusafisha Kenya, sisi ni watu tunaamini usafi. Because cleanness is next to godliness. Hiyo ndio principle ya kwanza. Kitu kingine naweza taka kuuzia kwa wale mnaenda ground. Wengi wetu tumechua vile ya kushindwa na tumechua vile ya kushinda. Hiyo mnajua. Because it's different from ward to ward, from constituency to constituency. Lazima ufikirie chini, uchore area yako. Kwanza tumia ubongo. Before ujatumia nguvu ya kukimbia around, tumia ubongo, survey your area and know how you are going to move. Utafute slogan, you run away with the seat. Kisumu, mchuba anaitwa Oluoch, isn't it? Oluga. He has always been in ODM. I mean in Fort Kenya. And he wins. So you better call him and tell him how did you survive this wave of ODM, isn't it? So kila mtu achipange.
Mwancho murigere asomo igo yobo igo nige kiamekio bono kero berie gochegotenenia abarwandri bebirugo ao biage siasa soba chorio boke obuburache koikiraniwa omotienyi ogocha gokwana hekerekio nigo bono hoyokoria ekirogo ke constituency ya Banisa hoyo manyakaine una Nurdin Mwalim asa ene kirenigo hare no kwegena una nache koira ekirogo ekio wetera se kiamekio kia UPA.
Urudinda Lato, an aspirant for Banisa constituency. I'm very grateful to the UPA party for giving us this opportunity, a platform on which we can go and sell our idea to the Kenyans who are living in northern part of the country. the decision that we have taken to vie for a member of the parliament where a person has died is not popular in our tradition. But it is not also liked by many. It is a right thing to do. Change is not easy. Change is also inevitable. For the change to happen, resistance must happen. Resistance must come along the way. We have decided that the stumbling block to the development of northeastern part of the country is a kind of democracy that we call negotiated democracy. This is a kind of a democracy whereby the elders, the few elders, has to strangulate the voice of young people, women, and also like-minded people, and decide in 5-star hotel, impose leaders on a people. Therefore, the elected leader doesn't care about the livelihood of the people. He only remembers those endorsed him and those who endorsed him in 5-star hotel and taken them to the community for preservation. The state machineries will not elect. The person who elects is a community, whose their voice and their hope has been ejected here in Nairobi. Those people are ready to express their will. They have to express their democratic will and send their vote representative into a parliament. I'm very confident.
Kuska kusuma nchumo rigeria hune nchire mo yoko ene kiabuna boro kigwa abo bare no borema ao ngosoma bara sama zingira maya na koigwa buna abande ekiombegia the National Fund for the Disabled of Kenya niko bono kiaruro bokonyi wenyomba yo buraro gochia se skuru ya Nyakome Friends Special School iyo gotoka imeye wadi ya marani bunge ya Kitutu cha Chenote County ya Kisii. Skuru iyo niko bone bwate abana abo bare no mochando buko igwa Mudarekta wechi semi niko bono aenekiri egetambo kirekyo giye serikali nene ase okorwa obokonyi obo nabo igo kobasaba aborki wabo korenda obuya na kobeka omukia asa masomo abo.
Dormitory. It is a 50 bed capacity, taking care of the boys in the school. It has costed us 3 million to construct and furnish. So we have beds, mattresses in there, and we are looking forward to having all the boys in the institution, currently 40, but going to 50 institution.
Emphasize very much the standards, particularly that we are serving children with disability. We make sure that they have the ramps, they can move in, those who can't, and that any equipment that we put in there is friendly.
We donated a dormitory, a very beautiful dormitory for the boys, and we are very grateful as the stakeholders, as the community, as the learners, and even the teaching staff. We have been having a challenge in hosting our boys, but now we have at least a relief. They have given us a dormitory which has been equipped. They have the beds, they have new mattresses, they have new blankets, and I think they will enjoy. So our school has a population of 78 as at now, although some of them are dropping out. We had a population of 86, but currently as at this time we have 72, whereby we have 40 boys and 32 girls.
Whatever the teachers are teaching you and directing you to do, we want you to work with determination to follow what the teachers are instructing you to do, and may you also develop to realize your full potential.
Toska basio mwanchumo rigereria umotendri kwa basigari ka Kenya mu Inspector General Douglas Kanja niko bono aenekiri umuroberio bukoriko kwa basigari niko rachiko chake waritukoria anke ase chinsemo aiga Kenya asibona atabire niga serikali rene kirenga kyo chikobarika basigari abaya goikachiri bikomi unanchire moyo gotinya esecte yo borendi asarure ege kurege tiniko cha sebonsi bari barachiye kubwatira ni gwane bikore bibongainria nabo igo obokurumi niko barachiko imukirwe getambo kirege tindi kerichiko.
No one is supposed to pay any money to any person, and in the event there is anyone soliciting for money, a report should be made immediately to the nearest police station or to the numbers that we have provided, including the feature to the DCI. I also want to warn the public that if there is anyone who is going to be involved on matters corrupt practices, both the giver and the taker will have their time in the court. We are ready to take serious action, drastic actions against any member of the service who goes in that direction.
Katika zile opportunities ama zile nafasi ambazo tumetoa ni kuwa kuna njia tofauti za mtu kupata zile forms aweze kwenda nazo kwa recruitment center. Njia ya kwanza rahisi kabisa ni ile ya ku-download. Ukiwa na access, una-download. Njia ingine tumepeleka forms kwa huduma centers that they are able to access them. The last, which is now a practical approach, tunabeba forms hawa wanapotoka hapa leo.
Tukoskabo siensi ya Kenya, mwanchu murigaria nigante kuya arigania hasogochia kwa arigania umoyega oyoko bwatania chinse inse kyombegia komesa sentunde yemeronge bere na kane aigaso mocho Nairobi nigo bonega tiaba waziri ba kwandra seba ariganjo moigo yo na goteba nigo ekagaire muraibwensi ya Kenya Moske William Ruto na chego chorwa so moigo yo uchakobo munyakerogo bwe kyombekyo ya komesa kiko chire tamo chinse gwetania emerongo ebere.
Current chairperson of the COMESA is Burundi, but in this meeting that is now transferring to Kenya, and President William Ruto will now be the chairperson of COMESA.
We have seen some of the adjustments that needed to be done. There is additional water provision through boreholes, there is painting, and I want to assure Waziri Trade that the venue is very well planned and all plans are in order.
It's quite a significant milestone and quite a significant event. It will be hosted by the Ministry of Trade, but of course within a venue that is under the purview of the Minister for Wildlife and Tourism.
Chakeka ikumi na isano na isato chapto kirigoro yechinsa ikumi mwanchu murigaria narayo aenekiwe wikiraboniga na negati artogandate kubwateria gochiko komanya senchira yobo ikirano botuko bwarero egekoraga ensa AMO na boigo chinsa isato chiabo na botuko gendra kokera miroberia gendeta sembeo yensoko TV nchengoro kwa Clinton Ndigi asili bagaria ya director zaki Kenya na boigo Felistas Kabendi kurwa studio ya Kabere to wakira bye bye to merana na sembeo nyasaye kawanchi.